What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Forgive me for my room today. It's a little dirty, but we wanted to keep the videos rolling here. Nothing is stopping here. I didn't shoot a video yesterday, man. So, R.I.P. Stanley. I'm a big Marvel guy, man, and I hate to hear bad news like that. I'm so used to seeing him in all the cameos and all the appearances in all the movies, man. So shout out to Stan Lee, man. But definitely, guys, definitely salute everyone that's still taking advantage and joining the 60-day income challenge, that's joining the instant payment funnel, man. There's everyone that's out here that's doing what they need to do. People that's keeping their word. I salute you, man. Shout out to you as well, because you wouldn't believe how many people join this business and do not get to work. How many people will join this business or say they're going to join and don't join? I mean, literally, people will invest in a program, don't do any work, and say it's a scam. Okay, so that's why I'm shooting videos, because I like to talk about videos and programs and things that are going to help people out. Literally everything that I do, it helps the next man make money online. Whether it's a marketing system, whether it's a traffic source, whether it's online education, on down. It's all about to help you. I don't like promoting a lot of opportunities or a lot of businesses or a lot of companies that are flavor of the weeks that, people are joining just because it's the hottest thing. I like promoting things that is going to help the next person more than anything. Move my finger, man. I'm using my phone. But that's going to help the next person more than anything. I don't want to promote things that are not going to help you. If you have a marketing system that anyone could benefit from, regardless if they sell lotions and potions, if they sell food from wherever or whatever it is, to smell goods, whatever it is that you're doing, CBD oils, whatever, you want to have something in place as far as a marketing system. And especially if you're building a team, you want to have things that is duplicatable for your team, because people join people. People do not join people that do not have things duplicatable, do not have things set up for them. It's just an oxymoron. I literally ask people, I'll say, what is going to make this person join you over a person like me or XYZ, someone that has marketing material, things that they literally have set up for you to win when it comes to advertising, when it comes to duplication. People want to know that you have that. So when you have that type of stuff set up, it's easier for you to make a sale. Now, the number one thing that you want to do is be shooting videos like this to let people know, hey, I got this for sale. I got this going on, because most people don't know what's out there unless they're searching and then they find you. So that's why I like to shoot videos. So if you see, if you're in, let's just say, I'm going to throw something out there and it's like my econ, let's just say how to get more sales or how to get more signups in my econ. If you're in my econ, you want to make videos targeting that. So when people are like, okay, I'm needing help on sales. So let's just say you have a marketing system that you can help duplicate. You have a traffic source that these people could utilize. These are things that you want to have out there. Okay. So the same way with my income streams, these are things people need. So regardless if they're an XYZ company, that marketing education is going to teach them how to take their business to the next level. The marketing system that I'm offering is going to show you how to build a sales funnel around your business and look different compared to the next person. See, people go out and they use the same marketing systems that everybody else is using. So when they're promoting, people are like, I've already seen this. I already know what this is going to lead to. I'm not even going to click on it, so you're not getting a lead. But when you stand out and you look different, more people are liable to click on your stuff, because they know, oh, I've never seen this page, or this page is nice. Whose stuff is this? I want to know this person. I want this page. So that's why we say you want to make something that's duplicatable, something that's different, something that brands you. Okay? The programs that I'm in are going to help you. I have to keep saying this. From the SMS text message system to SMS leads, so whatever. Okay? When you're doing marketing and your text marketing, this is a program that is going to allow you to text message over to per line. And they have different blocks here, but just the first one, 200 people per day that you can send a text blast to. 200 people. Okay? And the goal is to get these people on your email list so you can continue to market to them. Okay? So we're going to send out an email blast, a text message blast, and it's going to have a link to it. Once these people decide that they want to get in for more information or check it out, they're going to opt into your email marketing list. So now you have them on the email marketing list to continue to follow up with them, to build those relationships with them, to eventually get them to join. Okay? So, again, I'm shooting videos to talk about things that are going to help you make money online. See, people want to know, oh, how do you make $500 a month online like this? I'm giving you the tools right now. One program, you can make that alone. The second program, you can make that. So not only we're saying you can make $500, we're saying you can make $500+ and not only a day. This is a week too. You can make weekly residual income. I mean, you can make residual income. You can make monthly residual income. So, and most of my residual income is monthly. It's not going to be a payment every 2 weeks. Okay, so forgive me for saying that, guys. A little overexcited. But you can create a monthly residual income and you can create instant commissions. Okay? Who wouldn't like instant commissions? Who wouldn't like monthly profits? I mean, I sure love it. I love getting paid multiple times for doing the work once. I love it. So that's why I'm talking about programs like this. So when you hear me say the 60-day income challenge, there's multiple income streams inside of the 60-day income challenge, but it all ties into each other. Or the instant payment funnel. There are multiple income streams under that. One program alone has 5 income streams. 5. 25, 100, 250, 500, actually 6, 1,000, and 2,000. So that's 6 income streams on one program outside of that one funnel. And then you have multiple. Then you have 3 other income sources in that one funnel. See, we put together funnels and systems literally together so you can follow the whole thing and do the same exact thing. Send traffic, shoot videos, let people know who you are, build a relationship, show these people, hey, I'm a cool guy, I'm a marketer. Look at me, man. I got Deadpool. I'm super saying, shout out to Stanley. I'm a Marvel guy. I love Marvel. If you look at my back, I have pictures of Black Panther and stuff like that in my office. I mean, guys, I'm a Marvel person. So, you know me, I like to show you who I am. Not only do I do marketing, I like Marvel. My kids, you know, I let you into my family. I like to show you who I am as a person, that I am a real person. You see this? The hustle don't stop, baby. The hustle, it don't stop. It keeps going. It's forever a hustle. And we just trying to put you on. We just trying to put you on, man. That's all. I'd rather shoot videos like this and tell you what's going on. And I'm not going to plead to you, but I'm gonna let you know I'm a real person. And you can do this too. You see that back there in the background? That comes from recording. I'm a music guy as well. I do music. We're real. So yes, this can be done. This is not a scam. This is real stuff. And if you are having issues with getting money to even join the program, then you definitely want to take a look at the link in the bottom where it says how to earn $200 to $500 additional a month from your paycheck. Because we're going to show you how to fill out your W-4 form correctly to get an additional $200 to $500 more on your check to either join a business or invest or pay off debt. But it's up to you on how you want to rock and roll and play the game. But I'm going to pretty much put you in the game. Now you're going to play. All right, guys. So I'm going to wrap this video on up, man. I've been yapping long enough here, talking about these programs and all this money that you can make with them, because you can make a lot of good money. You don't have to be some guru, okay? It's no push button system. It's just learning, man. It's just learning, getting out here, shooting videos and making this fun, because this is fun. For me to shoot a video and talk to you guys, this is fun, because somebody's going to write me, somebody's going to talk to me and tell me, hey, you know, I want to get them more information. Somebody even might write me and say it's a scam. But you know what? Guess what? I'm not even going to waste my time with those type of people, because guess what? I'm educated enough to know that affiliate marketing is real. I'm educated enough to even know, hell, I have proof to show that I get paid. So I don't need to argue with anyone about what's a scam and what's not a scam. It's either you're going to want to make money with me or not. And if you're choosing to be that way, I don't want to do business with you anyway. I prefer for you to go and be with someone else. And chances are they're not even going to respond back to you when you get to asking a million questions and they gave you over-the-shoulder training. So if you're serious, you're an action taker, you're ready to learn, we can set up some time, man. You know, I want to get people going here. So I'm setting up Zooms. I'm setting up calls. If you want to get in, let's get it going. It's time to make money, guys. 2019 is around the corner. What else are we waiting on? We waiting on somebody to come drop a sign on our shoulder to say, hey, all right, you know, join this business. No, you have to take action. Okay? And now's the time to take action, to get going and start making some money and making a difference for you and your family. What are you waiting on? All right? So I got all 3 links at the bottom. I'm going to leave my social medias at the bottom. If you have questions, you can reach me. Get with me. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell link on that subscribe button so you can be a part of that notification gang. So whenever I'm dropping a video, I might not be the best person, but hey, I'm a real person. So whenever I'm dropping a video, you can be informed and know what's going on, guys. We're about to get into it. We're about to be doing a lot more marketing videos on email marketing. I shot a video showing you guys how I send a text blast out because I want you guys to see the real and the behind the wall of this, because most people don't know, and I want you to see it's real. All right, so we're about to wrap this video on up. Click the links at the bottom. If you have questions, reach out to me. But I look forward to working with you and getting you guys going tonight, today, wherever time it is that you're watching this, because some of these programs are worldwide. It's not only United States. I get money with everybody. There's no discriminating, okay, with me. I don't care if you're white, blue, red, green, Democrat, Republican. I don't care. As long as you're willing to work, let's get it. All right? This your boy Jay. I'm out. Let's have a beautiful and blessed day. Till the next video. Peace.